Our customer required a temporary, scalable cooling solution that they could utilize during the testing phase of their hydrogen energy plant. We pride ourselves in being leaders in temporary heating and cooling solutions. That's why we're showcasing this new product innovation. We went full custom. We couldn't provide the solution from our existing equipment fleet. Our design team, led by Greg, Director of Projects, and Fabio, our lead project manager, drove the discussion of how this would work. They gathered all the components. We turned to Stefan, our lead technician for this project, to assemble and conduct the initial tests at our shop. He then sent the results back to the design team for the final tweaks and improvements. Traditional industrial rental cooling towers of this capacity are large, bulky, heavy pieces of equipment. They require a crane to lift everything into place, and then a second crane to get the rental piece back off the roof. That requires a lot of planning, permits, and scheduling. The beauty of our units, the portability, means we can even place these on the top of a very tall building, using the elevator to get up as high as we can go, and then carrying the components up the stairs to the roof. No crane. This customization increases the efficiency and reduces overall costs for each job. We're proud of our solution. They work great. I see a big future, and they completely fit into our roll-in, plug-in, turn-on philosophy. That's just another example of how innovative, reliable, and effective working with Cool Air can be.